Hello, everyone, and welcome to the Gitaly 16.7 planning issue. This is the release that will go out on December 21st of 2023. Quick note that GitLab is moving away from their releases on the 22nd of every month, which means that the release starts on the 16th of November and runs until the 21st of December. So it's about a week longer than is normal. However, given the holidays, there's American Thanksgiving, Christmas, and I know many other holidays, and this time of year is popular for vacation. We're going to be operating at a relatively reduced capacity, even with the extra week. As such, we're going to be using the 16.7 release to catch up on overflow from 16.6, while attempting to ensure we make progress on our committed objectives. So we're not taking on a lot of new features is really the total of that. To start off with, we are excited to see support for bundle URIs being rolled out probably in the next few weeks. We expect that to land in 16.7. This will be a very minimal implementation, but it will allow the server to skip expensive steps such as packing up all objects into a pack file when a client requests a clone. It's designed to reduce server load significantly for cases where large repositories are cloned often. As of right now, you'll have to manually configure cron jobs to create the bundles, and you'll have to configure repositories to point at those bundles for the clones to pick them up. But this is an excellent first step, and we aim to try to roll this out internally for some additional dogfooding over the next month or so. We're also keen to write a playbook that shows how to use this, as it is pretty manual at this point in time and pretty minimal. The other thing we're working on is server-side backups. This is an ongoing initiative to make repository backups a much improved user experience. We have a repository backups blueprint that you can see sort of the overall plan of what we're doing. And we've recently released the option to perform server-side backups. This should increase performance, and it should eliminate the complexity that some of our customers were facing around backups, where they had to do backups on a Gitaly node, complete the backup, and then move the backup files off the node onto some sort of object storage. We now allow server-side backups to automatically push things into object storage, and it eliminates a lot of that complexity and time. So this should be very helpful. What we've released is very minimal. Again, this is another MVC, but we're going to continue iterating on this and improve the usability of this feature over the next release. The other thing that's been an ongoing theme is to implement write-ahead logging in Gitaly. We're migrating toward a decentralized architecture for cluster. We're also supporting some other key initiatives like disaster recovery, and the write-ahead log is crucial in all of that. So we are making good steps toward improvements on that. We're looking toward releasing that in the next release or two, and we're still testing internally right now to make sure that we understand what's happening and how that works. We are doing a lot of work around transactions, and it's been very promising so far. So we're pretty happy with the progress there. Finally, we're really happy to say that ref tables are going to be contributed upstream by GitLab to the upstream Git project. Ref tables are a new storage structure within Git that stores refs in a portable binary format instead of loose files or packed refs. This is going to improve Git in a couple of major ways. One is performance. Updating refs in a ref table will be more performant than uploading or updating loose refs or packed refs files. And the second is we're removing race conditions. The current Git implementation causes race conditions around deletion or modifications that you have to avoid manually. Obviously we've worked around that in the past, but this does provide synchronization needs in our Gitaly product, where we have to ensure that when we're deleting a ref, we synchronize there and ensure that nobody's trying to write to that ref at the same time. We're really happy that we're able to provide this upstream. It's an honor to be able to work on this product, especially since it's going to be rolled out to everybody using Git. So it's super exciting for us. We're right now laying the groundwork in this. We're updating all of the testing in upstream Git to be agnostic of the back end being used in support or in preparation for ref table support. And we do have staff actively pursuing this. So that's going to be ongoing in 16.7. As always, if there's any questions around what we're doing, please feel free to either comment below this video or feel free to comment on this planning issue. This is a public issue. We value user contributions and believe that everybody can contribute in some way to help us be better and help the product be better. So thank you very much and have a great day.